Johnny.
Good morning, world. Good morning, kangaroos. So cool. Oh, we look so ugly right now.
You know?
Yeah, I look so bloated. Oh my god. Look how beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna miss this place. This one's okay. This one. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, that's okay.
So nice. Oh yeah, actually. Yeah, if you don't mind. So pretty. Here we got our breakfast options. Ooh, this is a pretty good breakfast. Wow. Wow. What else we got? What's that? Ooh, no, not poached for me. Ooh, a little pecan. Ooh, pretty good. I would highly recommend anyone come here and stay for one night. I think one night is enough. Oh, look. Breakfast and like good quality breakfast too. It's not like continental and where it's super bland. Look at that. Like, wow. Happy Saturday. We are ready. We are packed up, checked out, and we are gonna go into the zoo during the daytime, not the nighttime. So we're gonna be able to see, can't see. We're gonna be able to see all the animals. We have found a koala. Where is it? I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. It's hiding. It's hiding. Oh, it's so cute. You can't really see. There you go. Can't see it.
Celina.
There's a giraffe. It hungry.
Stop. Celina's natural habitat.
Oh my god, wait, look. Yo, free water.
And
Not even over here.
we don't see them here
on
at
this
all.
side. Alright, we gotta go back out.
Can you
These are pan troglodytes. Everyone knows that.
Maybe chilling. They're not doing much. Just living the life.
That is why.
Oh look, Brian's right.
Oh, there's another one. Oh, wait, I can't see. There's all the other ones.
It's right here.
Is it?
What is it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that's cute.
Sorry. Oh, wow. Zebra.
Oh, look. Oh, did you hear it?
Elephant.
Oh, it's drinking.
Thirsty.
Oh, he's gonna lick it off.
You would be, Mom, you would be so scared. There's literally turkeys and roosters just walking around. Okay, stop, babe. You're gonna bother them. They're gonna attack you. And this little part is supposed to look like Thailand or something, I think. Looking for tigers. Been searching for this golden pheasant, and now we found it. It's so big.
So regal.
So regal. So sleepy. We're heading back. We left the zoo. Going back to Luna Park. I watched a documentary about Luna Park and how there was arson and these people died on a train.
Netflix.
On Netflix.
Celina.
We are in Chinatown, which is where we're staying the next 4 nights.
It's a church.
There's so many good food smells. Tickling my nose. Yeah, a lot of stuff we have in Vancouver, but I'm excited to eat. Found our Hotel Meriton Suites. Look at a little sushi small window. Except that Starbucks is ruining it. Wow. Oh, it's a roll. It's like a sushi. It's like a... Ooh, maybe we should come back for this too. Okay guys, we checked into our hotel, but when I got off the train, I saw so many people standing here that I'm gonna get some of this. I lied. It's a pork roll. I was totally thinking it's a spring roll. It's literally just a banh mi, guys. I don't know why everyone's standing there for a banh mi like that. Crazy. Okay, we ended up at this Hong Kong cafe, and all it's getting crazy up in here. And the lady was totally judging us because I said only one combo, and she gave me a stink face. She probably thinks we're crazy because we're sharing this one dish. We have finished our food and now we are entering Chinatown. So our hotel is beside Chinatown, but now we are in the motherland. I'm just kidding, that's not my... Actually it is my motherland. My grandpa's motherland. Look. Let's see what's here. You can just tell all the restaurants look so good. It smells amazing. Dragon pastry, wow, look.
There's some stores. Dragon pastry. Let's check out the dragon pastry.
Look how this restaurant is just like opened up to the street. I love it. Wow, all the restaurants are very open. Varieties meet freshness. I like that. 9 Dragons restaurant. Wow. Drink? Sure. Oh, this one. This one's really good.
This one?
I'm pretty sure. The white peach. Okay. So we're getting a giant chicken from Malatang Barbecue Fried Chicken. Oh wait. What is this place called? Oh, sorry. Winsome World Barbecue and Malatang. Because Richie's still hungry and he's not feeling the other options, but look at. So here they don't cut it up, they just have the roll like fully. Oh, it is cut up. No, wait, I can't tell.
You get red scallop if you really want.
Huh? No.
It's very hot.
Huh?
Very hot.
Very
it's
hot.
Very juicy.
Fresh out of the fire. We're grocery shopping now because everything here is really expensive and we have a kitchenette in our hotel, so we're gonna try to cook breakfast so we don't, go out and get that amazing Australian brunch every day.
Have a toast.
Yeah, let's get one to start. Hello, we just checked into our room. It's quite big. Wow, in-suite laundry and dryer. Kitchen. We're gonna cook our eggs in the morning. Wow, and what a great view of the city. Great view, I lied. We get this corner of this building, but this side is good. Can even watch people swim down there.
Creep.
Okay, so we were supposed to go to the beach, but it was already 4 o'clock and yeah, apparently it's 45 minutes away, which I actually didn't know. So tomorrow just happens to be hotter, 28 degrees. So we'll wake up and go to the beach in the morning instead. And today we're gonna go back to Circular Quay and walk around to see sorry, I got distracted. To see the Sydney Opera House. Right. Right, where are you?
Where's my wharf?
So we're walking. There's Harbor Bridge. Oh, nice. Sydney Opera House. I've only seen this in Finding Nemo, but now it is here in front of my eyes. How amazing. Wait, I didn't realize that it's like 2 parts. I thought it was one big part, but like it's kind of, right?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Look at these decorations. We have stumbled across on the other side of the Opera House, the Royal Botanical Garden of Sydney. Look at the view. Actually, babe, we should take a selfie with the... We are at a very nice pond at the Botanical Garden. The other parts of this garden were pretty disappointing. There's just a lot of grass. But here is very beautiful. And over there is a huge rave
That we're going to right now.
that we're trying to walk to so we can get in on some of that action. Because we are party animals. But yeah, it costs like $190. Haha. We just found it as we were walking.